Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super easy and quick beef tacos. So this is kind of everything you're going to be needing for said recipe. Obviously you're going to be needing a crock pot. You guys know I love my crock pot meals. The easier and the cheaper the better. You're going to need some sort of roast or beef. You can see right on it says terrific for tacos. So I've never tried this recipe before. However, it sounds right up my alley and there's no way that it can't be delicious. So we got our roast for just under $7 or just under $8. It was like 7 something. However, this will easily be 2 meals for us. And if we have leftovers, which I know we will, you can easily turn this into like beef chalupas or beef enchiladas or something like that. So you're going to need some sort of beef roast. Just to make sure everything shreds as easy at the end as I want it to, I'm going to put a little bit of beef tenderizer on it in the crock pot as sorry, my kids. As well as a little bit of pepper. I have a little bit of this onion that I want to use up, so I'm going to put some of this onion in here. At the very end, of course, you're going to need some taco seasoning or your own preference. Taco seasoning will do, but I use this because, once again, quick and easy. And then a little bit of salsa. So there's just a little bit of moisture in there. It'll help marinate the beef roast a little bit, but you can use water. I've done that in the past, but I'm going to try with some of the salsa because it's almost gone and I just want to get it out of my fridge. So we're going to use some of this salsa, but that's kind of everything you're going to need, and I'll show you guys how we're going to throw this together really quick. First thing I'm going to do is actually get the roast in the crock pot. And I set this out last night and I put it in my refrigerator, so it's still kind of frozen, but that's definitely okay. Now I'm going to throw in some of this onion. I'm just trying to get rid of it. If you don't want to put onion in here, you definitely don't have to. But it's been in my fridge for a while, so... So next I'm going to take some of this salsa. I don't think I'm going to use a ton. You guys can see how much salsa and onion I put in there. So not a lot of onion, probably about a cup and a half of salsa just right on top of it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this pepper and some of this meat tenderizer and put that on. Is turn mine on. Right now for me it's currently 10 a.m. so I'm gonna turn this on low for 8 hours, and then if I need to, it's getting closer to supper time and it's not quite done yet, I'll crank it up to high to finish cooking. But now we're just gonna go ahead and let it sit and do its thing. So this has been in for about 4 hours now and it's just falling apart. You see all that juice on the bottom is just like liquid that came out of the meat. So we didn't add any of that, so that's awesome. It's gonna be so good. So we're just gonna grab a spoon or something and kind of break this apart a little bit. I think the meat is still feeling a smidge tough. I know it's not done cooking yet, but I think I'm going to put in a little bit more of that meat tenderizer just to soften this up a little bit. So I don't want these pieces to be tough. Okay, so at this point I turned my crock pot on warm. It's going on 4 o'clock. This has been in for 6 hours. I'll be right there, London. So I'm going to go ahead, turn this on warm, and put in my taco seasoning, mix it up, and then it'll be ready to go come supper time. And this is just what it comes to looking like. And then here are the girls. You can top this with literally anything you want. I topped ours with some taco style cheese and some tomatoes for the girls. I'll put lettuce and sour cream on mine with tomatoes and stuff, or Colby Jack, whatever. But that's kind of the finished product of these guys. So this is what my taco looks like with all said toppings. So lettuce, tomato, I put taco cheese, and then this is all sour cream I smear on the side of my shell so I get sour cream in like every bite, not just a big dollop. So this is kind of the finished product, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have my recipes playlist linked down below for you guys if you want more easy crock pot meals. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!